I'm James Dello, the Director of Digital Workplace Company. We create future-ready workplaces that are designed to be digital from the ground up. Now, there are two areas that we need to think about when we're trying to create a future-ready workplace. The first one is about putting in the right foundations, what I call the fit-for-purpose infrastructure. The second area we need to do is put the right thought and planning into the employee experience, because if we don't create a frictionless way of working, we're going to create all sorts of problems. You need to have a reliable, quality network and internet access available. And you also need to be on the right plan. There's nothing worse than your team starting to use a new application and you get an unexpected bill, or you find that your speed has been throttled because they've uploaded a ton of data. Next, we need to ensure that your team has access to what I call the right kit of parts, so they can work whenever and from wherever they need to. Now, the kit of parts includes all the basic software and hardware tools they need to get their work done and to work together. You need to pick the right productivity suite for the kind of work your team is doing. Writing documents, creating spreadsheets, presentations, task management, and even producing videos and multimedia. Options like Microsoft Office 365, Google's G Suite, and even Zoho are all contenders here. This is where cloud computing is essential. Rather than storing files and documents on your local server or your personal computer, your team can store everything up in the cloud where it can be accessed anytime, anywhere. There are also intranet solutions like Interact, which create a digital hub for all the different tools that people might want to use. So everything from Yammer to Jira, from Slack to Zendesk is all available in one place. These tools aim to streamline access to the digital workplace you've made available to people on the move and on the go. Cloud communications allow any business to take advantage of the same communication technologies that were once only within reach of larger enterprises. They give you all the features that enable you to take calls from customers, but also give employees access to additional capabilities for web conferencing, teleconferencing, and screen sharing. As with all digital solutions, there's more than one path to follow here. One example of a cloud-based communication solution is Optus Loop. But the key is to pick a solution that can scale with your business needs over time and also meets the number of locations you need to support and the number of people who will be using it. The second thing we need to consider in planning our future-ready workplace is to think about it from the perspective of our employees. It's important that we consider instant messaging and chat solutions like Slack and Microsoft Teams to foster team cohesion. When remote teams need to meet virtual face-to-face, solutions like Skype for Business and Zoom are a real asset. The other key to bringing disparate teams together is to use the right task management tool like Asana or Jira. When productivity is transparent, everyone knows what's going on and when things need to be done. It's more than possible to offer staff a great work-life balance and still hit your own productivity needs. With the right choice of technology and infrastructure, you can create a united culture, encourage the right mindset, even if your business is a virtual one.